Aussie Diaries.
So here we are, our last weekend in Perth. We did stay for the party, and we also spent a couple nights in the van for the first time, with a bit of street stealth camping. It's a nice and quiet area, but it was still very weird, just being led on the side of the road in the back of your van.
Oh bugger. There's a bloody mosquito in here.
Also, Australia is full of backpackers, and everyone knows what's going on if they see a camper van with the curtains closed, so there wasn't really anything stealthy about it. But it was a good night's sleep and we survived the weekend, so there really is nothing stopping us from getting on with our trip. So for those who don't know, the visas we're both on are working holiday visas, which gives us a year here in Australia to work, with the option to apply for a second year, providing we've done 3 months agricultural work within the first year. They are pretty strict on this. If you don't complete your 3 months farm work in the first year, there is no second year. Things are slightly different for other nationalities, but that's what we have being from the UK. We are planning to complete the farm work and to apply for the second year here in Australia. Maybe not to stay for the full year, but just to keep our options open. We'll see how it goes. We have just over 4 months left on our first year visa, and with the winter rolling in here down in the south, we plan to go up north to complete our farm work. With better weather and the possibility of fruit picking jobs. Time is getting a little bit tight, but we plan to take about 2 weeks heading up north, spending time in the more touristy areas and enjoying the van life, before arriving somewhere around Broome, giving us a few weeks to find work and see the rest of the year out on a farm, complete the 3 months. Farms don't necessarily pay a large wage, but with a lot of the farm work, you live on the farm, so expenses are low. And even if not, we have the van now, so accommodation costs should be small either way. If all goes to plan, we'll be able to trip back, following the summer down with us in December, and hopefully be able to be home for Christmas. And still with the second year visa for our return, with the potential to stay south in the summer, and then head back north in the winter. But let's see how farm work goes first, eh? So we are very excited to be on our way. It's been a long time coming, and with our plans just unravelling for itself in front of us, we can't wait to get going. Perth has treated us very well. We've made some great friends and seen some great sights. It did take us a while to get going, and we had some falls along the way. We bought our first car, and we were living the dream. So it's farewell for now. Thank you, but we're ready.